Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this tutorial, I want to explain everything you need to know about how to read the chart regarding to the prices. We'll keep it short and simple. As you see on this chart over here, I have selected the Bitcoin chart on the 10-minute time frames, but it doesn't matter which time frame you use, so you can also set it to 1 hour or 1 day or whatever. The first thing I want to mention is you can see a dotted line over here, and it's red, and you can see that the price will go up and it go down. And basically what this dotted line means is that gives you the current price of the asset that you have selected. So in this case for Bitcoin. So this is the current price. And over here you have a scale. It runs up. You can do it like this. And it goes from high price to low price. So for example, if you select the daily chart, and if I zoom out, you can see this was the highest point Bitcoin has reached, and that is also being notified by this gray dotted line over here. You can see that it represents the $69,000 that Bitcoin, that was the all-time high for Bitcoin. So the gray line gives you the highest point on the chart, and the other gray line that you can see over here gives you a low of the chart. So that was, let's say, around $2,500. In this case, the line is red. This gives you the current price. But this line can also becomes green if the price action is going up. So for example, if I switch to a low time frame, now you see it's green, and then that means that the price action is going up. And now you can see that the gray line above has moved over to this point, and that means that this was the highest point visible on this chart. So this is a low time frame. So now this is the highest point available on this chart, and that is about, let's say, 19,700 euros. And the lowest point on this chart that you can see now is about $18,222. So that's some helpful information to give you a good idea of the price action and the highs and the lows. And if you hover with your mouse over the canvas, over the chart, you can see also that the price will change along with it. And as I mentioned also in a previous tutorial, each candle represents the time frame that you have selected. So now I have the 15 minutes chart selected, so that means that each candle represents 15 minutes. So that was everything I want to explain in this tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.